peanut butter and jam. It's one of my favorite sandwiches. I find it much smoother to apply your spreads with the teaspoon on bread than with a butter knife. Nothing hits the spot like a peanut butter and jam sandwich. Jacob's coffee is what I love to drink. I'm not a coffee fan, I'm more of a tea person. If you are rinsing out your dishes, getting them ready to wash them, to prevent food and stuff going through your drain and possibly blocking your drain. This thing from 𝙊𝙤𝙀𝙤, and it prevents food from going into my drain. Then I throw this into the bin, and then I put my stopper, and then I run my water, and I wash my dishes. I use this baby. It's the Handy Andy multi-purpose with bleach, ultra fast, clean and shiny in 10 seconds. I like it because it's an antibacterial. It also kills germs, and it also cleans at the same time, and it gives a nice, clean, refreshing smell in the kitchen. something to eat via Uber Eats. I'm ordering from muchachos. Okay, I'm going to wait for my food to get here, and then we are going to have a chat. I'm not feeling... yeah, then we're gonna have a chat. So I've eaten, I'm full. I'm full. But as I promised you guys, I promise to just have a chat with you all. I hope you all have caught up with all the vlogs that I've been posting. A lot of the vlogs that I have posted are vlogs that I shot early in the year, as early as some are as early as April. So I was admitted into the hospital twice this year. So some of the vlogs were shot before my admission in May, and then the other vlogs were shot before my second admission in the hospital, which was, when was I admitted again? Was it July? Was it July? Yeah. We are in the month of October, and now the content you guys are going to be seeing is going to be recent content. And you know, it's been hard to pick up the camera and shoot, to be honest. I don't know if I've got a creative block, but I'm just not in my groove, you know. Like, I used to batch shoot, like in one weekend, like I'd shoot like 2 or 3 videos, you know. I'd batch shoot and stuff, but now even if I shoot 1 full video, I'm like, oh wow. You know, because it's just so hard to pick up the camera again and shoot and create and stuff. More especially because I think because I've just been away from the socials for quite some time, that it all feels new again. So I'm just not in my groove of things when it comes to creating content right now. I'm hoping that changes soon, because I am forcing myself to create content. Like, I want to finish the bar cart. I haven't finished that, but obviously, okay, with the bar cart, there's still stuff that I need to go purchase at the hardware. So I think that's what's delaying me finishing that DIY. But the coffee table, also with that, there's still stuff that I want to go and grab at Galma before finishing the DIY. But besides that, I too have been procrastinating. My battery is about to die. It's flickering. Let me change it quickly. Yeah, so I just haven't been feeling like myself when it comes to creating content right now, and I hope that changes soon, because I've got like a long list of DIYs that I want to do, that I want to post. But obviously feel like myself and I create, because there's a lot of outstanding videos. There's actually, and you know what, a part of me also is like, you know what, be gentle with yourself, be kind to yourself, because it hasn't been an easy year for you, you know. You've been in and out of hospital, and your healing process also had to happen first before you got back into DIYing, you know. Because I was just thinking that it's October now, and I should have already finished season 2 of Sinza Ikaya, but I've only posted 1 video of that series. I should be started with my outdoor area, because as I said in a previous vlog, that I actually want to be more outdoors this year. That's why I want to create an outdoor sitting area, so that I can spend some time outside of the house and instead of being cooped up in Lini. I'm really accepting the fact that I can't just go back to how things were. It's coming on the camera. And actually need to get a new one. But anyway, they are great. There are elements of me that have changed and that are changing, or rather, let me not say changing, but evolving. And yeah, this channel is mainly a DIY channel, but because I just wanted to push out all the vlogs, all the content that I'd previously shot. To me, it started feeling like a vlogging channel, which it is not. This vlog is likely to be the last vlog that you'll get for a while. I want to at least push out 2 more DIYs before another vlog comes up. So yeah, hey, that's just me right now, and me right now is not certain of a lot of things, because I'm feeling very indifferent. Yeah. I don't always have it together. Yeah, it's hard to accept that and to realize that, but yeah. Okay, so I want to end off this segment of the video here, and I'll probably see you later today when I make supper, when hubby gets home. What am I gonna have today? Ooh, maybe we should have a steak with mushrooms and broccoli. Yeah. Yeah, maybe we should have that for supper.